Well, I'm in here just before closing time at Home Depot looking for those 4th of July deals. And typical of sort of what they did in Father's Day here at Home Depot, they got kind of lazy. So Home Depot already has a lot of buy one, get one deals that end around the 14th of the month. So you only got about a couple more weeks on some of these. And on some deals you have even less. But all of these here, I've already showed you either in the Ryobi Days video that I did here at Home Depot, or on the Father's Day video, and even some were on the Memorial Day video as well. The deals there. Why? Because Home Depot got lazy, and a lot of these deals already started in May, and they're running through July. So what they do is they take snippets of some of these deals and put them in the different flyers for Father's Day, Memorial Day, and here on 4th of July. Although here is one kit right here. So this is that M18, the 2-tool 5 amp hour kit. So this one right here is down to $349 from $399. And so this one runs until July 10th. So other than that, all of these deals that I've already showed you before are already still in action. This is just a newer one that they added to the flyer. And so for the 2-tool combo kit here from Milwaukee, same thing, look at that, $349, so it's $50 off for the 4th of July savings. And here you have until July 10th. And a lot of these kits, they're going to be kept up lock and key. For example, when I came by here to check out the Milwaukee nailers, they do have one 4th of July deal going on the 18 gauge brad nailer right here. So you see $30 off. And I'll try to put links to a lot of these down in the video description below. But yeah, this store is already sold out of them. But you really do get a whole bigger selection of tools here. And see, there's your deal right there. Good until July 14th. The way this deal works, and remember, I showed you all of this at Memorial Day. So if you go look at my videos on Home Depot from the Memorial Day and Ryobi Days time frames, you'll see much more detail where I went through every one of these. I'm not going to go through every one of these again for you. You can go see that video if you want to find out more. But basically, if you spend $299 and get this 2-battery starter kit here, which comes with an XC 6.0 2 batteries and a charger. If you pay $299 for that, you get to pick one of these tools for free. So that's how that works. And then for Ryobi here, you got the brad nailer, which is down from $139 to $109. So everybody's always asking me, how do I get deals on the brad nailers? Here you go right here. And then if you want the 16 gauge, it's at $169, down from $199. And then on this Husky, this is the 24-piece ratchet set. They got it $10 off, down to $29.99. Similar to the DeWalt kit they used to have at Costco. Ryobi deals, but all these really are the Ryobi Day deals that I already showed you in a Ryobi Days specific video that I uploaded a couple of weeks ago. I think it says like Ryobi Days / Father's Day gift ideas. So look for that video if you want to find out more. But I'll just show you and basically what it works out to be. And that is if you get this battery starter kit right here, which is 2 4 amps and a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. If you buy this for $199, blah, 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 there's a whole bunch of free tools. You get to choose one tool free. Now, I should point out to you, this charger deal is not as good as the one that they had last year. I think last year, if I remember correctly, the kit that they had last year, it was a 6 and a 4 and a 2. Not 2 4s and a 2. So shrinkflation is kicking in, or some people also call it Joe-flation. And this brushless vac is turning out to be a popular one too, to get with this buy one get one deal, because otherwise you would pay $199 for this vacuum. And the Ryobi Days deals are dwindling down pretty quick too. These stacks were much higher when I first showed these a few weeks ago. This is the cheaper deal. This is the $99 deal. So if you pick up this kit here, which looks like it has a 4 and a 2 amp hour battery in that kit with the charger. If you pick that up for $99, you can choose any one of these other free tool. The fan, unless you were looking specifically for the fan, like if you were looking for the mister, you want to make sure you're buying that. So don't just buy this thinking, oh, this is the mister, because it's not. This is a hybrid fan, because you can see this one runs battery or corded, or even the DeWalt one does not run corded. And remember, I showed you these at Memorial Day. It looks like they brought it back again on sale here. So this is LG's, their wash combo all-in-one. So this is a washer and a dryer, and it's ventless, so you don't even connect it up to your roof anymore. And so anyway, this one's $1,000 off, and they don't show what date it expires on here, but it's probably going to expire on the 10th. And yeah, and so you just come in here to the appliance section and look for these, kind of greenish signs. Oh, and check out this new display we just got in here, because see, this is actually supposed to not be up until July 15th. So this one here from DeWalt, they got in a little early here. We got the jump on it on everybody else. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so we got the 25-foot Tough series here. And this is $24.97, down from $30.97. Or for $19.97, you can get the compact staple gun. And this is a cute one here. A little bit pricey, though. $19.97 for the torpedo level. But it does have 3 different spirits on there. And this is $3 off. And of course, $12.97 for the push and flip. By the way, come and check the Milwaukee pack-out tumblers here in your Home Depot. I've seen a lot of guys pointing out on Deal Team 6 Facebook group here that these are showing up for real cheap, like $9. You know, and these are normally like $30 tumblers here. So I'm going to take one of these up there and either find an employee, or I'll take it up to the register and see how this scans in. I've heard people say it doesn't show up in BrickSeek, it doesn't show up anywhere, and even if you see it with a sign at normal price here, they say just bring it up to the register or to somebody with a Home Depot actual scanner and let them check it out. Alright, so I'm putting this one back. I just went and had it scanned and it came in at the full price. They did tell me they had some black ones that they were getting rid of earlier, and I've seen them here before. But I don't like the black ones. To me, Milwaukee is red. I used to own this particular Ridgid table saw. I love this thing, the 10-inch portable table saw. I love it because it folds up and rolls away, man. Real easy to deal with. And it's $4.99, down from $5.49 at the present time with this sale. And then you can also get the 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. And they're not saying how much of a discount it is, so I don't know that there really is one on this one at the moment. But $3.99 is not too bad, because I would much rather get, of course, the $5.49 DeWalt, because it's $100 off. They actually ran out at this store, I think. See, now I think Ridgid shot themselves in the foot here, because they should have had these deals up in Memorial Day like everybody else did. Here we thought they were sitting this one out, and they were just late to the party. But basically the way this works is you can buy this 2-pack of the 4-amp-hour batteries right there in the battery starter kit. If you buy that for $169, you get to choose from any one of these for free. So this is that kit right here. So you buy this guy for $169 and you get to choose the circ saw here, or you can get here the brushless impact wrench, or you can get this reciprocating saw right there, or you can just simply pick yourself up another 6-amp-hour battery if you were looking for some high capacity. So that's how that buy one get one free tool deal works. This would be some great tools to get for them. Plus, 2 extra batteries. Everybody can always use a couple of extra batteries. And then you can see here on some of the selected combo kits, they've taken anywhere from $50 to about $80 off. You can also get here this. This is a 2-pack of the 18-volt 4-amp-hour batteries right there for $99. So yeah, these are about $70 off. It's a good way to acquire a couple of extra batteries. But if you're willing to spend that $169 amount anyway on getting this charger kit, then you'll walk out of here with an extra tool. So that's something you want to sit there and decide, well, which one do I want to get here? Which gives me the most bang for my buck? Now, coming down the ladder aisle here at Home Depot, they're especially on the Gorilla ladder. So here is their 18-foot reach aluminum multi-position ladder. Now, this only has the 300-pound capacity, but, for most people, that's perfectly fine. But this is down $20 to $179, and this is your ladder right there. And this one is rated at 375 pounds. See, now this one here is a 22-foot reach. I have this ladder. This is $199. It's $80 off. They normally sell this for $279. And those of you who watch our channel know that 4 years ago I did a live stream and showed you when they had it for a week at $99, I think was the price. And a lot of us scored big time on that one. A lot of people still remember that. They always leave in the notes in the comments Jeff, man, I remember getting that ladder deal. So this is that ladder. And it's a 375-pound rated ladder. And this is $80 off here, down to $199. And then if it's 4th of July near your house and you don't have a grill by now, holy cow, you must be the only person in America. But check this one out. I showed you this here at Father's Day. And this one here is $110 off while supplies last, and it looks like they still have a few supplies left in this store. So this is the Traeger Pro 22 wood grill, the wood pellet grill, and of course your pellets go in right here. And just like it was at Father's Day, $110 off, down to $389. This was $499. And by the way, as I'm looking around the patio section here, I'm seeing all sorts of discounts that weren't here a week ago when I was in here. So for example, here you got this Laurel Oak 7-piece dining set. Oh man, this is beautiful too. I like this. This is kind of a rocking and swiveling chairs as well, with the double welting. But look at this, $150 off. They've lowered the price down to $599. And so we're seeing these little yellow stickers and stuff all over the place. So we're seeing at least 30% off on all of the cushions. So if you were looking for some new cushions to update your outdoor patio furniture, come on in. But even here in a lot of this other outdoor patio furniture from Hampton Bay, you got these here that are like $129 from $259. As for that woven accent table, then you got a glass dining table here. This is down to $83 from $119. There's sort of what it looks like. Or how about this glass dining table down to $69. Now this one deal here on this next grill is specific to the 4th of July ad, because as you can see here on their sign, this one runs from June 20th till July 10th. So this is $50 off, down to $199. If you're looking for a bargain budget priced grill, this is your beast right here. There's no side burner. And then looking at other grills here, this is another one that's specific to the 4th of July flyer. So this is the $99 Jumbo Joe Premium 22-inch charcoal grill from Weber. So it is normally $139. And here's what it looks like right there. Just a standard charcoal grill. If you're just looking for something simple, but it is on wheels. And there it is right there, $99.98. So that's true. And they're getting ready to kick us out, man. It's like $9:55. So I gotta get out of here. I love coming in this late. It's nice and empty. There's nobody here to disturb us. And we'll see you guys all on the next one.